In order to download Roblox on the PS5 version, all you want to do is you want to open up your PlayStation 5, then you want to go to the top menu and press on the search bar just like so. From here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up Roblox right over here. So RB, and then yep, it should be up here towards the suggested. So let's go ahead and press on it that. And then from there, we can go ahead and just press on done really quickly. Now, the great thing about Roblox is that it is completely free on the PlayStation. You don't need to spend any type of money or anything like that. So let's go ahead and just install it right over here. And then from here, all we need to do is we need to go ahead and just press on download. And the thing about Roblox is that it really doesn't take up that much space either. And it's already being added into our downloads as well. So all you gotta do now is just wait for Roblox to install. This will depend on your internet speed. So make sure that you have clear and stable internet throughout this entire process to make it a little bit easier. Alright, and then once it's done, you should now see the option that says play game, and then there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.